In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Microsoft Edge browser for better performance by enabling resource controls. Whether you're looking to enhance speed or manage your computer's resources more efficiently, following these steps will ensure your browsing experience is as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to start by opening Microsoft Edge on your desktop. Familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll notice it's designed for straightforward access to all the tools and settings you might need. Now, take your cursor to the top right corner of the browser window. Here you'll find three dots aligned vertically. These dots represent the main menu, which is your gateway to a variety of settings and options in Microsoft Edge. Click on these three dots, and a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing numerous settings. You'll want to focus on finding the option labeled Settings. Once you've located it, go ahead and click. This action will open a new tab or page within the browser dedicated to personalizing and managing your Microsoft Edge settings. On the left side of this newly opened page, you'll see a sidebar with several options for different categories of settings. It's crucial here to look for the tab labeled System and Performance. Click on it, and this will take you to a section specifically designed to help you tweak how Edge performs on your system. Keep in mind that these settings can have a significant impact on how smoothly the browser runs on your computer and how efficiently it manages your device's resources. Now, within the System and Performance menu, you should focus on locating the option called Performance. Click on it, and you'll be introduced to various settings intended to enhance your browser's capabilities. These tools and toggles allow you to customize how Edge uses the resources available on your computer, potentially leading to better performance and quicker load times when you're browsing online. As you explore these settings, keep an eye out for the specific option, Enable Resource Controls. This feature is pivotal in optimizing how Microsoft Edge operates. By enabling it, you grant Edge permission to manage resources more effectively, which can help in balancing the browser's performance with your computer's own demands. To activate this, simply click on the toggle located to the right of Enable Resource Controls. You'll see it shift in color, indicating that it is now turned on and active. And just like that, you're done. By completing these steps, you have enhanced your Microsoft Edge browsing experience. Efficiently managing your resources can lead to improved speed and performance, ensuring that whether you're streaming, browsing, or working online, your experience is seamless. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to boost your browsing with just a few simple clicks. Enjoy your optimized Edge experience.